And this is no game, man. Look how beautiful this is. Look at that. Look at that.
What is up, guys? Back again with another YouTube video for you guys, man. And today we have the 12mm Prong set Cuban link in all colors: yellow gold, rose gold, and white gold.
All right, guys. So here you guys see them right here, man. We better get straight to business. You guys already know what's going on. Flashlight test, throw them in the neck, show you guys how it's looking. And I do have the yellow gold Jesus piece and the white gold Jesus piece. We're gonna go ahead and throw those on, show you guys how they look with them. Man, these are beautiful, beautiful chains. All right, guys. So the first one I'm trying on right here is the yellow gold. Look how beautiful this chain is. That beautiful yellow gold plating on the inside. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on. All right, boom, boom, boom. Look at it on the neck right there. Bring it a little closer for you guys. This yellow gold is a very, very beautiful color, man. This thing shines like crazy. Man, and this thing looks like you're wearing a $20,000 chain when you have this on your neck like this. I'm gonna show you guys with the Jesus piece, man. With that Jesus piece is game over, man. That thing is looking crazy. Looking like you got like 50,000 on the neck. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that in a little bit, but first I wanna show you guys the chains up nice and close. Let me show you guys how that box lock looking and that side of the neck view. You know, the best view of all, the side of the neck when you got that Cuban link showing like that, man, the side of your neck, if it's tucked in, whatever, out, that is just a very nice look right there. Look at that side of the neck view if you guys wanna have it tucked in, you know, the little box poking out like that. Man, this is a beautiful chain right here. All right, this is the white gold right here. Very, very beautiful color and a very, very popular color. Everyone loves white gold. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on the neck, show you guys how it's looking. Look at the inside, beautiful white gold plating. All right, let's go ahead and throw it on. The yellow gold that I tried on was 20 inches. This is 18 inches. Soon I will be doing a sizing guide for you guys. You guys have been asking me for a sizing guide, so that will be coming soon. Look at that beautiful, beautiful white gold. That side of the neck view looking very nice and crispy. And as I said before, man, when you have this chain on, it looks like you're wearing a very, very expensive chain. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and bring the box lock around. A beautiful, beautiful box lock on this chain. Man, this chain is crazy. Guys, wait until farther into the video when I put on the Jesus pendants on these chains, man. It's gonna be game over, man, I'm telling you guys. But look at this, a beautiful, beautiful chain right here. All right. Let me go ahead and put on the rose gold for you guys. Man, this rose gold is a game changer right here, man. This thing is crazy. Me personally, I would have never thought I'd be wearing rose gold, man, but this chain definitely convinces me to wear rose gold, man. This thing is beautiful. Look at the beautiful rose gold plating on the back. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on, show you guys how it's looking. You guys see it right there, man. Look at this. Look how beautiful this chain is, man. Bring that nice and close for you guys so you guys can focus up on it. Look how crazy that thing looks, man. Side of the neck view looking crispy. Shining like crazy. Man, and these chains with the light, when the light hits them, man, it's game over. These things shining like crazy, man. Look how beautiful this chain is right here. Beautiful rose gold. And these stones hit like crazy too, man. Look at them beautiful stones we have on here. So on each link, as you guys can see, is 2 rows of stones. And these are very, very high quality CZ stones. And these things hit like crazy. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how the box lock works real quick. So you see how this is bent a little bit right there at the end? That goes right ahead and clicks in right here. You can see that clicks in right there. You go ahead and put the top on, click it on nice and tight. And once that's on, man, as you guys know with Astroice jewelry chains, it's not coming off, man, and nobody's taking that off your neck, man. That's the quality of our chains, man. High quality, great looking, the best of the best right here, Astroice jewelry. All right, guys, so the next thing I'm gonna put on these Jesus pendants on these beautiful 12mm Prong set Cuban links on the yellow gold and the white gold and show you guys how they look. All right, so first thing first is the white gold. Look at this, man. I still got a plastic on the back. Let me go ahead and peel it off for you guys. All right, guys, so I know you guys like seeing, you know what I'm saying? Brand new, man. We ain't playing over here. This is brand new. Look how crazy this thing looks, man. Okay, guys, so if you guys don't know, on our 12mm Prong set Cuban links with the Jesus pendant, you do have to tilt it up a little bit to get it inside. It won't go straight. You gotta tilt it up a little bit and it goes straight through. So go ahead and put that straight through. Look how crazy this looks right here, man. Look how beautiful this Jesus pendant is, man. All the detail, all the work put into it, man. You guys can see how much work is put into these pendants, man. Beautiful chain, beautiful pendant. Let's go ahead and throw it on. All right, there you guys see it right there, man. Look how crazy this chain is looking right here. A beautiful pendant on this chain right here, man. Look at that beautiful Jesus pendant. And that's how it looks right there. If you guys are interested, you guys already know where to go. The link is gonna be down below in the description, and you can go ahead and copy one, man. Look how beautiful this chain looks right here with this Jesus pendant. I told y'all, man, when you put this piece right here on this chain like this is a whole other level of jewelry, man, right here. Look how beautiful this looks right here. Look at the detail in this pendant right here, man. It's basically fully iced out, except for some parts. And look at that beautiful chain on it. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead to the yellow gold chain. I'm gonna go ahead and put the Jesus pendant on that one, and then I'm gonna stack them together. So let's go ahead and get on to that. All right, guys, right here is the yellow gold. I know for my yellow gold fans, man, you guys are loving this right here, man. This thing just looks crazy, man. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on the neck. This is at 20 inches. The last one was at 18 inches. Boom, 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 man. Look at this. This thing just looks crazy right here, man. It's gonna look like you walking around with like 50 stacks on your neck, man. Look how crazy this looks right here. Look at this. Look at that beautiful detail in that pendant. Beautiful chain. Look how beautiful this chain looks, man. Beautiful, beautiful yellow gold plating. Beautiful high quality CZ stones. This thing is blinging like crazy, man. Let me show you guys the side of the neck again, just to show you guys how that's looking. Beautiful, beautiful chain right here, man. An icy, icy chain. Now let me go ahead and throw on the white gold, and I'm gonna stack them. And you guys gonna see, man, this is gonna look crazy right here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you hear that clashing? You hear that clashing like that? You hear that clashing like that, man? You in trouble now. You better walk around with security now, man. Look at this. You're gonna need some security to walk around with this, man. Oh, man, you know, you moving. Oh, man, you guys know, if you a real jewelry fanatic, man, you guys know that sound. That's the best sound you can hear on your neck right there, man. So go ahead, look at that up nice and close. Beautiful pieces. Let me go ahead and move this one a little to the side. Beautiful pieces right here, man. If you guys are interested, as I said before, go ahead, click the link in the description. It'll bring you right to the website. And you guys should go ahead, pick the inches of the chain you want. Guys, the chain and the pendant come separately. A lot of people order the pendant and think that the chain comes with it. It says in the description, pendant only. So you guys have to order these separately. Later on, we will have a combo putting them together. But for right now, you have to order the chain and the pendant separately. So go ahead, this is the XL Jesus piece and the 12mm Prong set Cuban link. Man, look how crazy these things look right here, man. Look how beautiful and crazy these are right here. Shining like crazy. This just a little bit of shine. Wait until we do the flashlight test. These things gonna be hitting like crazy, man. So go ahead, look at that from a little farther view. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. You guys already know what it is, man. Astroice jewelry in the building, man, with another video for you guys, man. So let's go on and get into this flashlight test, show you guys how it's looking. Let me throw on the rose gold too for the flashlight test. Oh, man. Okay, man. Are you guys ready for this flashlight test, man? Are you guys ready? Let's get to it, man. Let me show you guys what it's about. Boom, 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 man. Look how crazy these stones are shining, man. You guys already know what it is. Astroice jewelry in the building with another video for you guys, man. And look how crazy these stones are shining, man. High quality CZ stones. You guys already know what it is. The best of the best quality right here. Look how beautiful these stones are. Look how crazy they're shining, man. And this is no game, man. Look how beautiful this is. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those stones shining, man. The yellow gold, the white gold, the rose gold. All very beautiful chains, man. It's just, it comes up to your personal preference, what you guys like more, man. And these chains are amazing. Look at that shine test, man. Look at that side of the neck. Shining like that. You're gonna be in trouble, man. Bring you guys up nice and close. Look how crazy that is, man. These stones hit for real. Link in the description if you guys are interested, as I said before, man. And last thing for this video, I'm gonna go ahead and do the giveaway for our last video, and we do have a new giveaway coming. All right, guys, so here's the bracelet for the giveaway. I'm gonna go ahead and enter the video. That's gonna show you guys who the winner is for this giveaway. All right, guys, it is now time to choose the giveaway winner. Here's the URL. We have 48 comments. We're gonna go ahead right here. Let's get to it, man. Let's see who won this giveaway. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Zon Webb is our winner, man. Look at that. Congrats, Zon Webb, man. We're gonna be shipping this bracelet to you very, very soon. Do the two-tone rose gold and white gold 14mm chain and bracelet. I need to see that flash test. I know it's lit.
We're gonna be doing a video soon for the 14mm in all colors, all available colors, man. I appreciate everybody for entering the giveaway, man. Zon Web, please DM us on Instagram, Astroice_jewelry. Hit us up and send us your address and everything so we could go ahead and send that bracelet to you, man. Congratulations. Congratulations on winning the giveaway, and we're gonna have a lot of more giveaways coming very, very soon. Keep entering giveaways, guys. Everybody's gonna have a chance, man. We're gonna be giving away a lot of stuff, a lot of jewelry. So thank you guys for entering. Thank you guys for everybody who's been commenting, and we're gonna be doing a lot more giveaways. All right, guys, we appreciate all your support, man. And for that, man, we got another giveaway for you guys, man. So the next giveaway, let me go ahead and bring it up close. All right, guys, so our next giveaway is a 12mm Prong set Cuban link bracelet. A very, very nice bracelet, man. And if you guys want to see a bracelet review showing you guys how the bracelets look on hand and everything like that, let us know down in the comments below and we'll get to it, man. We'll get that video out for you guys. All right, guys, so to win this giveaway is basically the same as last video. Go ahead, press that subscribe button, that post notification button. Make sure you like this video, man, and comment down below what you guys want to see next. Thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you guys for supporting us. Remember, if you guys like what you see on my neck, the link will be down below. And use the code Cuban30 for $30 off your next Cuban link. That code is very limited. It's only for the first 50 people. After that, that's it. So the first 50 people that order their Cuban link, they're gonna get $30 off. So go ahead and make sure you get that discount, man. $30 off your next Cuban link. Use the code Cuban30. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all the support. And if you guys keep showing love and keep supporting, we're gonna keep doing more giveaways. We have a lot of amazing videos coming very, very soon. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.